Last night I had the best night. Sometimes I can't even explain what happens in my life. Like, it's absolute insanity. Last night, that's where I slept, in that campground. It's not really a campground, it's kind of like a rest area down there. Super peaceful. Hi cows. How you doing today? This fine morning? Well then, don't want to chat. I just spent some time talking with a rancher here, and his family's been living in this valley since the 1880s, and he told me so much history about this place. Bloody Dick, a lot of things are named Bloody Dick, is named after a fellow named Richard Green. Richard Green was an Englishman, so when he came into town after hunting and trapping and doing whatever, it was always bloody this and bloody that. So it became Bloody Dick Creek, and then Bloody Dick Road, and there's quite a few things named Bloody Dick. So that mystery has been solved. The mystery of the Bloody Dick. Looking for some fishies, but I don't see any. I think it's too hot to see fish. Okay, so Raps and Ling told me I'd be walking all in forest. I am obviously doing some different alternative than them. Probably walking a lot further than them too, because all I see is Ranchland. You are probably wondering, where is my purple shirt? Well, the purple shirt has died. Purple shirt is gone forever. Sorry guys, but you know, no amount of sewing or patchwork was gonna bring that bad boy back to life. So now I have this new shirt, and it's a wonderful story how I received it. So yesterday I was looking for a place to camp and came upon the rest area, and I didn't know like what the procedure was, like if I had to fill something out or I had to pay or I don't know what. So I asked, there's one guy walking around. Mosquitoes. Get out of this area. So there's one guy walking around, and so I start talking to him, and turns out that his truck had broken down right in that spot, and was pulling a trailer with his family. Look at that guy, just staring. You are adorbs. I don't know if you're, what, are you an alpaca or a llama? I think you're, I don't know. Whatever you are, you're cute, and I wish I could hug your neck. Bar Double T Ranch. Really nice setup over there. And they have a sprinkler going. It's so hot, I am so tempted to run in it. But that might be a bit rude. I must have missed a turn somewhere. Or they failed to tell me about a turn, because this is the definition of middle of nowhere. I don't even see many cows. Jeez. Adventure! And you know what? I'm not gonna say I wish I stayed on the original trail, because then I wouldn't have met Troy and Lindsay, and I wouldn't have this rock and blue shirt. So this is Lewis and Clark Trail. Huh. Still not forested though. Bannock Pass. Welcome to Leadore. Sightseeing, info boards, salmon. Town at the crossroads. Stagecoach Junction. One big loaded sub after all that hot road walking. Trio register. Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego? So I decided to splash out and get my own hotel room. The only one that they have left is not only it's not only this big bed, but also there's like another room with a little bed, so it's kind of a waste. But I haven't had my own hotel room in a long time. Oh, I don't even remember last. Maybe it was like trail days I had my own hotel room where I wasn't sharing with anyone. Anywho, can you see the back of my sweater? See, look. So super cool. This is a Patagonia sun shirt, like, and it was stinking hot today, but it helped me stay cool, and it's a great size, and I'm just so happy. Like, Lindsay, you are the best ever.
You're right here. What? I was drinking that shit.
All right, here we go. 6 days without a shower. Oh, feels so good. And shower beer. This is a shower beer. Shout out for Shelley. This is the Sock Eye Horse Thief Hazy IPA. And sorry, it's getting blurry. Let's try it. Oh, it's foamed up, doesn't matter. Come on in the shower. Light sweetness, a little bitter. It's a pretty good hazy IPA. I give it a solid B. A B, maybe B plus. Cheers, Shelley. Do you like pina coladas? Cheers to Craig. Thank you for this weird pina colada thing that I saw in the gas station. It's really kind of, it's not a real pina colada, obviously. It's kind of like an adult juice box with many artificial flavors. Cheers, Craig. I'm really enjoying having this hotel room, motel room to myself. That's Mango.
Huh? Don't get out like that.
How long has Mango been living here?
Oh, he don't come over. This ain't been over here for a long time.
But I'm not.
He's only a couple years old.
I'm not
Ah.
allowed to the GMC stuff.
Not that I would watch it.
Yeah,
Vitamin I.
Not me.